Hello, I'm Aaron Allison with Race Tools Direct for today's tool tip of the day. Now, any of you racers out there that tow a trailer know that you always need some wheel chocks and other various pieces of wood to be used under the trailer jack, whether you're at home, parking your trailer, or at the track. Now, one of the most frustrating things that happens over the years is you find a few good pieces of wood that you haul around for a little while, and then all of a sudden they come up missing. So I did this a few years ago, and what I found is if you take a little paint that you have laying around, whether it's red like this that I had left over from a project, and just kind of paint the pieces of wood that you take to the track, you'll find out that they don't go missing. They're easier to see, they're easy to know that they're yours, and some of your local competitors are less likely to borrow them. The other thing that you'll see I did, for $1.25 at Home Depot, I bought these nice little handles that I was able to just screw into the end of these blocks of wood. And what that's really nice for is if it's raining or if the block of wood becomes dirty, you can just grab it by the nice handle, throw it in the back of your truck or back of your trailer without getting your hands dirty right before you take off on your long journey home. So please visit racetoolsdirect.com for all of your race tools needs.